These are some changes for my clone of Roblox gun kit. There might be more features than these if you are watching this after some time of its release. Let's get to the installation process now. First of all, you need to get the model from the link in the description. I already have it. If you like this model, you can consider leaving a like and favoriting the model. After getting the model, you need to add it to your game. First step is opening the toolbox. You can open the toolbox with selecting View tab from the top bar. Click the toolbox button. From Toolbox, select the second tab and select My Models from the drop-down menu. Drag the model to the viewport. Next step is moving these to services. All of the names of these models show the service they must be at. So if a model's name is Replicated Storage, you need to move it to Replicated Storage. After moving them all, you can delete the empty model. Next step is ungrouping these models. Right-click on these models you placed under Services, and click on Ungroup. This is important. They will not function as expected when they are in a model. After all these, we can test the guns with testing the game. As you can see right now, guns work perfectly. These guns also have sounds, however I forgot to include sound to recording. This is a good time to tell that this version of the gun kit also has camera releasing feature. It supports all platforms, and release key is F on desktop platforms. Everything is open source like the original kit. You can find all configuration options in the same places with original kit as well. You can also add additional guns. It is not limited with the included guns. If you want to add some guns from Roblox gun kit, you need to get the ones you want from the description or from the developer hub page. Then simply drag the model from Toolbox. Select the one you will add. I will only add this third one, so I will delete others. Put the gun to somewhere you want. I will put mine to starter pack, so I can get my gun on spawn. Then just delete the weapons system folder from the model you got. We can test the game to see it works. If you want to add some custom guns, make sure that you include configuration file in the base parts like handle. And after that, you need to tag them with tag editor, which I forgot to show in this video clip. This process is fairly easy. Install the plugin from the link in the description. Select your gun gear and add the tag. You don't need to do this for the guns in Roblox gun kit. All of this project is on a GitHub repository which will be linked in the description. You can create issues if you have some, or if you just want to suggest a feature, and you can also contribute if you want. There are also some instructions about setting this kit up. If you are still stuck at some point, there are example place files in this repository, which you can download and check out. That was it for this video. Hope you understood. See you in another one.